Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch the One Plus speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your Bluetooth device, or not syncing or not pairing with your phone, or if it keeps disconnecting. If it's having any kind of issues like that where it's not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you want to just clear all of the pairing history and all of the settings off of it, so you can set this speaker up basically like it's a brand new speaker. We can go ahead and do this really simply on this speaker. With power to the speaker, all we need to do is come in to the back with power to it. We're going to come in and press and hold this button right here for at least 5 seconds, and basically you're just going to hold it until the speaker will actually audibly say factory reset. Once it says factory reset, then we can release the button, and then we can go ahead and set this speaker up basically like it's a new speaker coming out of the box.